where it can happen either way. It gets called either reverse turf toe or turf toe, but it's either sprained up here or down here. We're going to tape for both eventualities. Okay. Normally, where I'm going to spray is I'm actually going to spray right here on the ball of the foot. Okay. I'm not going to spray up on the toe. All right. I'm going to put anchor on. Okay. Let's see. All right. And now what I'm going to do is I'm going to split the tape. Make sure it's long enough. Okay. What I'm going to do is I'm going to actually go in between the toes. Okay. I'm going to bring it down and I let the ends kind of go where they want. And I create an X at the joint of the toe. So if you guys want to come see this, I create the X right down here at the toe. All right. And I go to the other side. Tear off my tape. And I'm going to do 3 like this. I'm going to work my way up just a little bit, not very much. And the big thing is you want to make sure that your strips are long enough to be able to be anchored down. If they can't be anchored down, they're not going to hold, they're not going to do any good. So now I've done the top, I'm going to do the bottom. I'm sorry, I've done the bottom, now I'm going to do the top. I'm still going to go in between the toes, okay? But now I'm going to create my X on the top of the foot. Okay. So now my X is up here.
Doesn't matter if you do bottom first or top first.
No. And I'm teaching you both because it really kind of depends. I mean, sometimes I'll do this to really stabilize the toe. I'll do both just to protect it so they're not moving it at all. But if it's more one than the other, you can do either top or bottom. So again, just like the thumb, you want to make sure that it's not too tight, okay, because it's easy to turn the toe into a big fat purple grape. Okay. And you can, I mean, we're doing all our X's on the top and the bottom. You can also put an X over on the side, okay, for the ligaments over there. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to do a series of vertical strips. And you got to make sure these again are long enough to anchor. I'm going to start on the plantar side of the foot, okay, and I'm going to start up here on the toe and I'm going to bring it down. And I'm going to work my way, I'm going to overlap, and I'm going to work my way around the toe. And I was just doing this to my daughter for gymnastics. She had turf toe.
So is the foot supposed to be relaxed or flexed?
You just relaxed. Our way around. And you could actually do this same kind of thing to the thumb. Same kind of idea. You could really encase the thumb like this so you can't move it. But that's pretty extreme. But I have done it, especially in like collision sports like football and hockey. Although hockey players really hate it because it makes it hard to do stuff. One. Okay. I'm going to take this one and now I'm going to anchor around the toe. too tight. Okay. But it holds those strips into place. And then I'm gonna anchor down here. And if you need more than one anchor, put more than one anchor. Alright. You move it?
No.
It's kinda funky, it's actually kinda funky. Yeah.